whether I should go for a clip-on one or the sticking one. Now let me explain. In his case, can you see his natural hairline is still there? He has his natural hairline, he's got a little hair in the front, and his area on top has become scanty. In such cases where you have hair in the front and you have hair on the sides and the back, clip-on is an option for you. It can give you a natural hairline in the front, and at the back it can give you volume. Now in cases like these, a lot of clients think that we should consider transplant as an option. You all need to understand that transplant is not always a good option. In a case like this, where the balding area is pretty big, in such cases transplant is not a good option, because no matter how many strands you transplant from the back, this can never fill up this area fully. Even if you add 3000, 4000, 5000 strands, it will not give you that volume. So just in case if you are looking for a voluminous head full of hair, you definitely should not do the transplant. If at all you want to do the transplant, you should only do the transplant in the front. Once you do the transplant in the front, you will get a natural hairline like how you can see over here. And at the back now, I'll show you the clip-on one. Now you can see that there are multiple clips over here. Now these are very secured clips. So a lot of clients ask me, are the clip-on ones secure? Does it come off while you're riding a bike or something? No, it doesn't. It's extremely secured if you have enough hair on the sides and the back. Now I'm going to show you how you're supposed to use the clip-on one. You all can see now, because the hairline, obviously it's thin, so it will go flat. So what you all need to do is, once you fix the clip-on one, just apply a little bit of product called deviation paste. Now this is like a wax. Now what wax does, it gives you that matte finish and it gives you a little volume. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of deviation paste from L'Oreal and I'm going to apply it at the hairline to create volume in the front.